Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to go over the formative take one, just so you fully understand all the questions if you missed any. So I'm going to start with number one, and of course I'm going to train it up starting from the back. And I'm going to combine my like terms. So I'm going to combine 6K plus 11K. Then I'm going to combine my constants, negative 3 minus 10. Whoops. These ones are going to combine to be 17K. These ones are going to combine to be negative 13. So our answer is 17K minus 13. If you wrote negative 13 plus 17K, that's also okay. It's just the commutative property and it's just switched around. Okay, let's go ahead and do number two. We're going to train it up. Make sure you include your signs. You're going to write your like terms next to each other. So 7x minus 2x minus 2y plus 9y plus 5. Your x's combine to be 5x. Your y, so it's 9 minus 2, so it's going to be plus 7y, and then just plus 5. Again, as long as they are all positive, you should be good to go on that one. For this one now, we've got some decimals, so we're going to, of course, train it up. And then we're going to rewrite it with our like terms next to each other. Oh, they all are like terms. So for this one, I like to do it all my positives. Plus 7. So, and then 7y, and then it's minus 6y. So here I would add these together. So 1.3 plus 0.9. So 2.2, and then plus 7 is 9.2. And then we're going to do 9.2 minus 6.0, so notice the negative. So then that was 2.2 plus 7y minus 6y. So then that was 9.2 minus 6y, and then 2. And then we get 3.2y. All were like terms, so they all could be combined. I'm going to go ahead and erase some of this in order to have enough space for the next one. Because of all the fractions, we got to get common denominators and combine and different things like that. Okay, so here we go. Train it up. Okay, so I'm going to start with my k squared. So negative 7 tenths k squared plus 1/10 k squared plus 6 minus 8 minus 1/10. So I'm going to combine my k squareds, different signs subtract, so that becomes 6/10 k squared. Oh, I lost my k there. So then 6k stays by itself. And then we have negative and a negative, so it's going to be minus 8/10. On this one, I am going to go ahead and simplify it to be 3/5 k squared plus 6k minus 8 1/10 is your final answer. Make sure you've simplified that 6/10. Make sure the k squared's still there, and then make sure that 7 1/10 gets simplified down to its final version. So for these ones, you've got to start by distributing. So we're going to draw our little lines. Bloop, bloop. We got to hand out the tickets before we can train it up and combine like terms. So 4x times x. Remember, x times x equals x squared. So we have 4x squared. And then we're going to do 7.2 times 4. Move your decimal once. So we get plus 28.8x minus 1.2x. Notice we didn't distribute to that last part because it wasn't in the parentheses. And now we're going to train it up. 4x squared stays by itself, nothing to combine with. And then 28.8 minus 1.2. And we get plus 27.6x as our final answer. Again, if you had 27.6x plus 4x squared, that would be correct as well. But make sure those two can't be combined because x squared and x are not like terms. So make sure those didn't get combined. So on this next one, you have quite a few things to distribute. Remember, we told you that you needed to have that as a -3 there in the middle. So make sure that could be why you didn't get it correct if you didn't change it, because our key had it changed. Sorry for the erasing on here. So let's go ahead and start by distributing, see what we need to distribute. I was just go ahead and check it all. So then 7 times -3x is going to be -21x. Plus 9y, nothing to distribute there. Then it's -3 times 2x, which would be -6x. -3 times -2 gives me positive 6y. Now we just train it up. So our x's, we have -21x minus 6x plus 9y plus 6y. Those are both negative, so -27x, and these will combine to plus 15y as our final answer. I hope that this makes sense. If you're struggling still a little bit, go ahead and you could do part of take 2 if you wanted and attach that picture. We're not including a video, but the key is attached if you want to use that to help you practice. Thanks, bye.